service today, so I'm staying in KJLH on my radio. I guess I caught my radio service. Choir singing. That's what I love about my favorite radio station, owned by my favorite brand and entertainment, Stevie. Wonderful. Always doing something good. Guess I didn't really miss church after all. Thank you for the music, KJLH.
Peace in the valley.
This is interactive radio. 102.3 Radio Free KJLH.
Can you imagine